Ah! I'm so hungry! I love ribs. Can I smell yours?
I don't bite, you know. Well, maybe just a little. Surprise! Here I come!
You know why they call me Lucky? I never lose. Where you going, buddy? The fun's just starting. Joey, Joey, Joey!
Well, speak of the devil. Looks like he just walked in. Ooh, and he's a looker, too. I'll get back to you shortly, okay? Bye-bye now. Do you want to become one of our new patients? I just need to take a small blood sample. You're not afraid of needles, are you? It might be comforting to tell you that your death will be quick and painless, but that will be a lie. After all, we can get a bit carried away while performing our duties. However, I can promise you one thing. You'll never see it coming. Here, have a pill. Lord Malik sends his regards. How sweet. A new companion for my babies to play with. Make yourself at home. It's a bit of a mess right now, but I hope you won't judge. My babies are very hungry. Babies, go and greet our guest. Mama Bear is coming to get you. You will die here. Mother knows best. Babies, go and greet our guest.
Thought I heard something. Take your medicine. Stupid man! You dare hit a woman? I'll crush you into dust! You messed with the wrong girls! Die!